Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 deals with percent added over time. It says last year in Dogtown, the dog population was 60 dogs. This year, there are 30% more dogs than last year. How many dogs are in Dogtown this year? So first, I'm going to have to find 30% of the original number of 60 dogs. Similar multiplication to what we've been doing in the other problems, I'm going to take 30% written as a decimal 0.30 and multiply it by the original amount of 60 dogs. 0.30 times 60 is 18. So that means there's an increase of 18 dogs. So all I have to do is add that to the original 60 dogs plus 18 more dogs this year, and 60 plus 18 will give me 78 dogs in Dogtown this year.